Hi everyone, I will show you how to create a new checklist in Easy Notes in just seconds. Hold your finger on the app and now there are functions appeared and here choose new checklist. Click on it, wait a few seconds and here is your checklist. You can write here like love. It's an important thing to do. Add the new item like eat, it's important as well. And if you have done it today, then click on it and you can see that it checks it for you. Click on the check mark on the left corner here, and that's basically it. Hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.